A single spoonful of the right ingredient can completely change the way your garden performs. If your cucumbers are dropping flowers, your tomatoes seem stuck in slow motion, or your peppers are producing fewer fruits than expected, this simple homemade garden feed could be the boost they need. Before we dive in, if you enjoy practical gardening tips that actually work, please consider subscribing to Gardening Like a Pro so you never miss another harvest boosting secret. Many gardeners spend money on expensive fertilizers without realizing that some of the most effective plant feeds can be made from everyday household ingredients. This recipe combines natural sources of energy, minerals, beneficial microbes, and plant-supporting nutrients into one easy solution that can be applied directly to cucumbers, tomatoes, and peppers. The best part is that the ingredients are inexpensive, widely available, and simple to prepare. To make this homemade garden feed, start with 1 liter of warm settled water. The first ingredient is 1 tablespoon of plain starch. Starch acts as a food source for beneficial soil microorganisms. Once these microbes become active, they help break down nutrients already present in the soil, making them easier for plant roots to absorb. For cucumbers, active soil life encourages vigorous growth and helps support steady fruit production. For tomatoes, it promotes stronger nutrient uptake and can contribute to healthier growth during periods of environmental stress. For peppers, it helps maintain steady development and supports overall plant vigor. After adding the starch, pour in 50 grams of regular milk. Milk is far more useful in the garden than many people realize. It contains calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and other nutrients that play important roles in plant development. Calcium helps reduce common growth problems associated with nutrient deficiencies. Potassium supports fruit development, while phosphorus contributes to healthy roots and flowering. The natural sugars in milk also provide nourishment for beneficial microorganisms living in the soil. Many gardeners have used diluted milk solutions for decades because they encourage a healthy growing environment around plant roots. Combined with starch, milk helps create conditions that support strong growth and productive plants. The next ingredient is the peel from 1 banana. Banana peels are rich in potassium, one of the most important nutrients for fruiting vegetables. Potassium influences flower production, fruit development, flavor, and overall plant performance. When cucumbers receive adequate potassium, they tend to produce firmer and more flavorful fruits. Tomatoes benefit through improved fruit development and stronger growth. Peppers also rely heavily on potassium during flowering and fruit production. Banana peels contain smaller amounts of magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium as well. These additional nutrients contribute to balanced plant growth and help support the demanding fruiting stage of the season. Place the banana peel directly into the water mixture. Allowing it to soak helps release some of its valuable nutrients into the solution. This simple ingredient transforms kitchen waste into a useful garden resource. The fourth ingredient is 1 teaspoon of natural honey. Honey serves several purposes in this homemade feed. It contains natural sugars that provide energy for beneficial soil microorganisms, helping maintain a thriving microbial population around plant roots. Healthy microbial activity is essential because these tiny organisms assist in nutrient cycling and improve the availability of important minerals in the soil. A healthy soil ecosystem often translates into stronger, healthier plants. Honey is also known for its ability to attract pollinators when used around flowering plants. Although pollination depends on many factors, encouraging beneficial insects in the garden can contribute to improved fruit set, especially for cucumbers and peppers. The final ingredient is 20 grams of breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs provide an additional source of carbohydrates and support the development of beneficial microorganisms. They also contain natural yeasts that contribute to biological activity within the mixture. When combined with the starch, milk, banana peel, and honey, the breadcrumbs help create a nutrient-rich solution that supports root development and encourages active soil life. Once all ingredients have been added, allow the mixture to sit for 2 hours. During this time, nutrients begin to disperse into the water, and the ingredients start interacting with one another. After 2 hours, strain the solution thoroughly. Remove the banana peel and any remaining breadcrumb particles. You want a smooth liquid that can be easily mixed with water and applied around plants. Next, fill a watering container or bucket with 10 liters of warm settled water. Pour the entire strained concentrate into the bucket and stir thoroughly until everything is evenly distributed. Now the feed is ready to use. Apply 0.5 liters of the finished solution to each cucumber, tomato, or pepper plant. Pour it slowly around the root zone rather than directly onto the leaves. This allows the nutrients and beneficial compounds to reach the area where they can provide the greatest benefit. For best results, apply the solution early in the morning or late in the evening. These cooler periods reduce stress on plants and allow moisture to penetrate the soil more effectively. Do not use this feed more than once per month. While the ingredients are natural, moderation is important. Plants need balanced nutrition, and excessive feeding can sometimes create more problems than it solves. Consistency is what produces the best results. Combine this monthly feeding with proper watering, healthy soil, adequate sunlight, and regular garden maintenance. When all these factors work together, cucumbers, tomatoes, and peppers can thrive throughout the growing season. Sometimes the most effective gardening solutions are also the simplest. A spoonful of starch, a little milk, a banana peel, honey, and breadcrumbs can create a surprisingly powerful homemade feed that supports soil health and encourages productive plants. Give it a try in your garden and observe the results for yourself. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to Gardening Like a Pro, share it with fellow gardeners, and help more people grow bigger, healthier harvests naturally.